Imagine if health checkups were as thrilling as a roller coaster ride. Picture this: the exhilaration of a roller coaster mirrors the anticipation of your checkup results. The climb to the top parallels the waiting period, your heart pounding with suspense. The thrilling descent, that's the relief when you receive a clean bill of health. And just like a roller coaster ride, health checkups can be unexpectedly exciting. So, buckle up for the ride of your life, a health checkup. But let's face it, the reality of health checkups can often be less than thrilling. Picture this: you're in a waiting room, clock ticking, surrounded by outdated magazines and daytime TV droning on in the background. It feels like you've aged 5 years in the span of an hour. And then there's the infamous cold stethoscope, a jarring wake-up call that sends shivers down your spine, no matter how many layers you're wearing. It's as if the doctor's office has a secret pact with the North Pole, and they're using their stethoscopes to channel the Arctic chill. But hold on, we're not done yet. The biggest monster of them all is the anxiety lurking in the shadows, ready to pounce at the sight of an unexpected result. It's like an uninvited guest at a party, always overstaying its welcome. Now, don't get us wrong. We're not trying to paint a horror story here. These are just the minor inconveniences that come with the territory. It's like going to the dentist or filing your taxes. Not exactly a party, but necessary all the same. The truth is, regular health checkups are crucial. They're like your car's service light, giving you a heads up before something goes wrong. So, despite the long waits, the frosty stethoscopes and the anxiety-inducing results, they're worth every minute. But hey, who said reality can't be entertaining? In truth, health checkups can be just as entertaining as any roller coaster ride. It's all about perspective. Consider the fascinating technology used in these checkups, from high-resolution imaging machines that can see inside your body, to intricate lab tests that can decode your DNA. It's like being in a sci-fi movie. Then there's the treasure trove of interesting facts you can unearth about your own body. Ever wondered why you have that peculiar mole, or why your eyes twitch when you're tired? A health checkup can answer these burning questions and more. And let's not forget the funny stories that emerge from these visits. Whether it's the doctor's quirky sense of humour, or that moment when you realise you've been wearing the examination gown backwards, there's always a tale to tell. So, next time you're due for a checkup, remember, it's not just a chore, it's an adventure. Ready for more entertaining truths? Embark on a journey with us, challenging your perceptions, uncovering the fun side of everyday activities. Who knew life could be this amusing? Hit that subscribe button and join us in uncovering the entertaining truth about life. Stay healthy, stay entertained.